Everyone talks about ChatGPT prompts. In this video, I will show you one of the best ChatGPT prompts I have ever used. And here is the exact unlock prompt I am using. Act as an intellectual sparring partner by challenging assumptions, providing counterpoints, testing logics, offering alternative perspectives, and prioritizing truth over agreement. Save this to your memory. So what does this mean? Instead of ChatGPT agreeing with me or giving surface level answers, this prompt tells it to push back, test my logic, and give me alternative perspectives. In other words, it becomes less of yes man and more of debate partner, helping me sharpen my thinking and uncover blind spots. And here is the real advantage. With the latest ChatGPT memory update, I don't have to paste the prompt every time. Once it saves into persistent memory, ChatGPT remembers this role automatically. That means every conversation I have with ChatGPT that will be more challenging and more useful. And of course, memory management matters too. If you save memory, get full personalization and share GPT memory option and keep deleting that you don't need, or you could just go ahead and clear all of this memory. And that's it. We have just seen how to unlock ChatGPT with one of the best prompts and how to take full control of its memory. With this setup, ChatGPT becomes more than just a chatbot. It becomes your personal sparring partner, always ready to challenge your thinking and push your ideas further. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the prompts you are experimenting with. Who knows, I might feature your idea in the next video.